in the court of the UPA, not in the NDA now. Because they will implement FDI and the worst is about to come. The worst will come. The worst is coming up. After some couple of years, would you proceed with the fact that the worst is yet to come? No, the worst is yet to come after the implementation and after implication of FDI in India. Would you proceed with the fact?
If they wanted to claim that they were the majority government,
if they wanted to claim, अगर वो claim करना चाहते हैं,
for opposition, if they wanted to claim that they were the majority government,
if they wanted to claim that they have a majority government, अगर वो चीज़ों claim करना चाहते हैं कि यहाँ पे majority government है,
then why do they insist on a vote?
So why they are insisting for a vote? अगर वो ये claim करना चाहते हैं कि उनके पास majority government है, तो उन्होंने vote क्यों नहीं किया? If they are insisting and if they are claiming that they have a majority government, उनको पता था कि उनके पास majority government है, तो उन्हें कैबिनेट में क्या हुआ? क्यों नहीं उन्हें वोट मिला कैबिनेट के अंदर? क्यों वो हार गए? Is that clear?
The arguments have been allowed to remain as they were.
The arguments will be allowed as they were. Will be there in the discussion as they were. Argument उसी तरीके से रहेंगे जिस तरीके से वो चाहते हैं. But by the argument, but by the words magic, they won't be able to change the reality. Clear?
Maybe they could have done some counting and claimed that 282 people in the Lok Sabha and whatever.
Okay, maybe possible that they did some counting and they claimed that 182 people in the Lok Sabha. हो सकता है उन्होंने कुछ काउंटिंग की और वो इसी वजह से क्लेम कर रहे होंगे 182 लोग ने लोकसभा के अंदर और इतने राज्यसभा के अंदर थे
spoken up against the proposal of the government.
That spoken up against the proposal of the government. Very possible that 182 people in the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha spoken up against the proposal of the government and against the FDI.
They insisted on the vote, not me.
Well, they insisted on the vote. उन्होंने insist किया था vote करने के लिए.
They insisted on the vote. Again, then obviously all the arguments get expunged.
All the arguments get expunged. All the arguments which they did in the cabinet, all the arguments which is going on here is expunged. If they voted in the favor of the FDI and if we won the battle, if they voted in the favor of the FDI, so all the arguments which they did in the parliament and now is expunged. It's absolutely baseless. It's absolutely useless. It's absolutely destroyed. जब हमें इस चीज का वोट मिल गया है तो अब जो आर्गुमेंट्स हैं वो बिल्कुल खत्म हो जाते हैं, यूजलेस हो जाते हैं, उनको कोई ऐसा अर्थ ही नहीं.
The minute the vote takes place, because
when the vote takes place, the vote हुए थे.
That is the decision of the House. So
that is the decision of the House. That's absolutely a decision of the House. ये decision है House का.
Whistle in the dark, call us a minority government.
Okay, if you are making an allegation or beating about the bush, or making some allegation against the minority, if you are having a minority government, a coalition of the minority government, like if you talk about the small amount of people government, it's a minority. It's a minority government. Clear?
In the dark, call us a minority government.
If you are listening in the dark, if you are making allegation in the dark, if you are listening in the dark, if you are shouting in the dark,
accuse us of material allurements or
accuse us of material allurement, और अगर हम accuse करते हैं कि material allurements हमने किया है,
so material allurements or in your terms the bribe,
or in your terms अगर आपके शब्दों में ना Mr. Karan Thapar जी तो bribe.
Fact remains that the vote went in our favor and
the fact remains, fact तो वही रहेगा. The fact remains that vote come in our favor, कि vote हमारे favor में आए हैं.
Maybe again the majority would have been less in the
maybe the majority would have been less in the opposition, और हो सकता है कि majority less रही हो opposition के अंदर.
If Sushma Swaraj had not tried to please the hearts of her followers in a moment,
okay, if Sushma Swaraj couldn't hardly follow us in the floor of the house,
defeat, but
and they don't want to accept the defeat actually.
FDI versus CBI, they all clapped, they were also thrilled with it.
They all clapped, they were also thrilled with it. When Sushma Swaraj said in the cabinet that CBI and FDI the CBI and the UPA, CBI and FDI.
But that is what has resulted in egg on their face.
That is what is resulting in the egg on their face. पर जिस तरीके से वो लोग कैबिनेट की तालियां बजा रहे थे कि CBI और SBI ये सब करके तालियां बजा रहे थे, जिस तरीके से डिबेट कर रहे थे, वो उन्हीं के ऊपर आ गई थी, वो चीज़ उन्हीं के ऊपर आ गई थी और उन्होंने इस चीज़ का रिजल्ट मिल गया. अब उनके शायद they are having the egg on their faces. Is that clear?
Or they make omelets.
And they make omelets. Now they have egg on their faces and they can make omelets. So would you concede? Would you concede with us that now the NDA is having the egg on their faces and they can just make an omelette? Would you concede? Okay. Next. So now we will do some debate, but after a couple of minutes, so you can just stop the